Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gabby Catano from CATANO GLAM and this is CATANO GLAM English. For today's video, I'm basically going to be talking about everything that I have been doing or I'm going to start incorporating for my hair care routine, and that is why I have actually partnered up with the Air Iron Styler for this video. I'm so excited to show you guys their new blow dryer and all the amazing assets that it has to it. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Si quieren ver este video o otros videos muy similar en español, por favor suscríbanse a mi otro canal CATANO GLAM. If you guys want to watch more videos like this one, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and of course hit the notification bell that's right next to the subscription button down below so that you can get notified whenever I post. Don't worry, it's usually between 1 and 2 times a week only. Most of the time on Sundays and on Wednesdays. I try to stick to that schedule as much as I can, but your girl is very busy and sometimes it is a little hard, so that's why getting a notification makes it so much easier to never miss a video. Alright guys, let's get into it. I wanted to talk to you a little bit about my hair. My hair is very straight, it's very thick, I have a lot of it, and mid-length in my opinion. And my hair has always been really great, but a few years ago I did notice that I was getting a little bit of a dry scalp. So for that I started using Head and Shoulders, which is an awesome shampoo for dry scalp. And in the last few months, I haven't really been using that shampoo as much. I went to California and I started using a bunch of different types of shampoos. I didn't really care. I didn't make an effort to go buy Head and Shoulders. Whereas about a month ago, being in Miami, I realized that my scalp was getting super dry. So recently I actually did some research and I realized that I could put a lot of different things that are natural onto my hair to make my scalp less dry and just soothe it. I am actually reading this online. Tea tree oil has strong antiseptic, antifungal, and antibiotic properties. It can relieve dry scalp and its symptoms. If you're going to use an essential oil on your body or on your hair or anything like on yourself, you should always mix it with a carrier oil, and a really great carrier oil is actually coconut oil. And coconut oil is also really awesome to hydrate your skin. It's natural and it's gonna be great for my hair. While I'm putting this into my hair, I'm making sure to really focus it on the top part of my hair. I feel like that is where I get the most dry, at least the most noticeably dry. But I am also massaging it down into the bottom and the back of my head, because even though it's not noticeably dry in those areas, I feel the dryness. I'm gonna go ahead and put my phone on 10 minutes so that I can let my hair and my scalp absorb all of this goodness, and then I'm gonna hop in the shower and I will be right back. Now that I have my hair washed, I don't expect it to suddenly be perfectly hydrated and no longer have any dryness, but I definitely feel that there is gonna be an improvement in my hair. So I will keep you guys updated over on my Instagram, which is CATANO GLAM, and I will just let you guys know my hair process. Of course, if you guys have questions and comments about any of the at-home treatments that I did to my hair, or maybe what you've done before, leave me a comment down below. So just to make sure that I had all the accurate information, I did go onto the airiron.com. It basically states that the blow dryer has 3 heating levels, 2 options for speed settings, and it's gonna take you an average of 30 minutes to blow dry your hair and style it at the same time, meaning you probably won't need an iron, or you won't need to buy an extra styling brush or put any additional product in your hair to style it. And the wattage is $18.75. That is all available for $139.99. I think that that is a pretty reasonable price for a good blow dryer. You obviously could get another blow dryer like at a Target or at your local pharmacy or drugstore for cheaper, but honestly, with all of these amazing settings, I think that $139.99 is not bad at all. I'm actually going to open up this blow dryer right here, and it says that it has ionic technology because it divides water molecules so hair can dry faster. It also leaves microscopic particles that leave your hair more hydrated and less likely to frizz and tangle, while adding volume and delivering healthy, shiny hair. Fast finish, fabulous. This is the actual blow dryer. It is called the Speed Dryer. There's a 9-foot cord in this. So guys, okay, have you ever literally seen a hair blow dryer cord this long? No. And I think that that's like such a cool thing, because this is the area where I sit down and I blow dry my hair, but there is no plug right next to me. I always have to end up going to another side of the room where I can barely see what I'm doing to my hair. So I'm gonna try this out and see if it actually is long enough for this. The actual air iron styler is separate from the blow dryer. This supposedly styles wet and dry hair. It has ceramic technology. It universally fits most blow dryers, cuts hair styling time in half. It's literally just this. You can plug it into basically any hair dryer that you have if you don't want to splurge on the actual blow dryer. This is the new technology that it is talking about. It is not like a regular blow dryer styler, which I will show you now, that actually does come with the air iron. This actually has these little holes that make it so much easier for your hair to be protected from the heat as well as style nicely. And here you have the regular blow dryer things. This goes onto the specific blow dryer. One of them is thicker, but as you can see, there's absolutely no little holes. It's like just one big hole right there where all the air comes out at once. This one is a smaller one. I'm assuming this one is for your hair kind of like in the front. If you have bangs with the same thing, it does not have the same technology that this has, whereas the hole itself is pretty big. A little bigger compared in size. The black one fits perfectly into the styler with room. So this will definitely target more hair at once while dispersing out the heat evenly through these little holes that it has. So it claims that the average time to blow dry and style your hair is about 30 minutes. However, my hair usually takes a little less than that. So I am gonna go ahead and time myself, and I will show you what it says at the end of me blow drying my hair. So it was actually faster than what I thought it was gonna be, because they said it was 30 minutes average. I thought it was 20 minutes average, and it was actually 17 minutes and 48 seconds. So that was pretty fast. And I even tried to style a little, like with my brush. I like angled it in a certain way, and I feel like my hair looks really, really pretty. Obviously my hair is straight, but it does have a little bit of style to it. It is completely dry, and with those different heat features, my hair doesn't feel so hot. It does feel a little hot, obviously, but it does not feel like burned and fried like it would normally feel with a different blow dryer. If you guys want more info on the air iron and the air iron styler, the link will be in the description box, so make sure that you go ahead and open that up. And you guys can also check out all of my social media accounts. I will be posting probably a few more times with this blow dryer just because I actually like it, and I will probably be using it a lot more often. I also noticed it's definitely lightweight. I mean, I barely feel like I'm holding a blow dryer, and at the same time, did you guys notice that I was able to sit right in front of you? The cord is super long, so it actually fits, and I really liked it. If you guys have any suggestions for dry scalp, definitely leave me a comment down below. If you guys want to follow me on my hair journey as well, I will probably be talking to you guys a little bit about my scalp and how it's doing and my scalp health. If you're into that, definitely follow me on Instagram, because I will try my best to keep you guys updated with that. Remember to subscribe to my channel so that you can see all of my upcoming videos, as well as hit the notification bell that is right next to the subscription button so that you can get notified whenever I post a video. It's usually between 1 and 2 times a week. Without further ado, bye bye, and I will see you guys next time.